I'm Jim Preston, and I'd like to introduce you to the KlonZo area. Now, this is out of Moab to the north, but before you get to the Klondike Bluffs area, and you take Willow Springs Road out from the highway. The road is a little dirty, a little dusty, and then you've got to go through a dry, usually dry wash. It's sandy, but two-wheel drive vehicles can do it. And then you've got a selection of parking lots out here like this. So I don't know. I go here, just start riding. You can go in either direction. So let's take a look at this southern section here first. This Zephyr comes up from Brand Trails. And I haven't actually rode this much. I've been out here a little bit, but not that familiar with it. But Zephyr comes up with from Brand Trails. So if you really want to have a really big, humongous ride, then that would certainly do it. You'd run around all over here. And a way of orientation, I also want to say that the Sovereign trails are right here. And back in the day, before we had all these great trails, we rode these motorized trails and went up here on Sovereign, and then worked your way back down. There's some like nice little rock jumps and stuff to come back down. But it's moto, and the bikes, of course, chewed it up. There's quite a bit of sand on that. So this comes up from Moab Brand Trails, and you can come into here or park here and drop in, or park over here and drop in. Now this area this is that easy stuff right here. See, all of these easy ones are right in this area right here. And then as you get over into here, and certainly over into here, you're getting some intermediate riding there. And again, I can't talk much about it because I actually haven't gone down into that area. I'm a little more interested in this area up here, and Graviton and so forth. So we'll ride up borderline. Is the way I go anyway, and then just keep following borderline, and you get way up here to Wahoo, and then come around Wahoo. Now you can start down. If you don't want to take on this additional, which is this Black Diamond, then you can drop down Wahoo and work your way down through all of this, however you wish. I like Vertigo. There are a few little technical spots that are, I think, quite interesting to ride here. It's a little upper intermediate in a few places, but it's a lot of fun. And take Vertigo down this way, and then you just end up down here on Dunestone somewhere, and you can come over here to Boondocks and drop down, or drop down any of these and loop around. There's just a lot of variety all through this area, and that's KlonZo.